Good morning. So what we are going to do today is, it's actually something that I saw in Hobby Lobby a while ago, and I was like, ooh, I want to see if I can recreate that. So that is what we are going to do today. Drink some coffee. So what we're going to do is it's going to be, of course, an ocean themed pour. We're going to do the pour, and then we're actually going to cut a silhouette out of wood and then put the wood on top of the canvas so we can get the painted silhouette with a nice wood top. So that's what we are going to attempt. So this is going to be part one of that video. It's just going to be the painting, and then part two will be the building of the silhouette with the wood and everything, and then putting it all together. Okay, so we are using all DecoArt products. This is a 14 by 18 level 1 canvas that I got from Michaels. We are using the DecoArt pouring medium, and we put some of the DecoArt clear pouring top coat into it to hopefully give it a nice sheen when it dries. Our little bit of white that we are using is the DecoArt Americana Snow Titanium White. And then we've got all of our colors here. So we've got the Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl, Dazzling Metallics Teal, Dazzling Metallics Ice Blue, Extreme Sheen Metallic Sapphire, just regular DecoArt Americana Bahama Blue, and our Desert Turquoise. So those are all of our colors that we are using today, all of our materials. The table behind me is getting very full of stuff. I think I'm going to have to clean my office today. And then we are actually going to use this trowel. It's actually a mud trowel, but we're going to use this trowel to get our cells and our waves and our veins and all that kind of stuff. And we are going to move this stuff out of the way and get started as I spill the paint. Okay, I'm going to remake that one, and then we are going to get started. leave that one just like that. Sorry about that light glare. I forgot to turn that off. Okay, hopefully that's better. Okay, we are going to leave this just like it is. We have quite a bit of paint left over, so I'm going to get another canvas prepped, get all this cleaned up, and then we are going to use the rest of the paint to do just a traditional flip cup. And we will get 2 paintings out of 1 video. Be right back. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to bring y'all down so you can get a closer look at the painting. Okay, here we are closer. Okay, so we have everything moved. I got some macro shots of the other painting and got this canvas prepped. This was a canvas that had a painting on it that I didn't really like, so I just painted over it. I just put some of some blue on it. I just poured some of this Sapphire metallic that we already had and kind of did a rough coat, and then I actually used some of the surrounding paint to kind of give us some color definition, so if anything goes transparent when we pour this, we have some definition in there. And we are going to do a flip, actually we're going to do a flip pan. So these 2 flip pans, I actually really like these. So we are going to move this up real quick while we get the pans ready. All right. And we are going to leave that one like that. And I'm going to get some macro shots of it. There's a lot of paint that was left over. I'll just put it in my bucket. My base bucket is what I call it. It's just all of the extra runoff that I can use as a base paint whenever I do like the big coffee table, Batman coffee tables and that kind of stuff. It's literally just loads of paint that are in there that just give us a good base. So, and we are actually going to be making coffee tables very soon. So we are going to leave this one right here. We are going to kind of let it form on its own, the cells and all that kind of thing. And I hope y'all like this. I'm going to bring y'all down for a closer look. Okay, so here we are with a closer look. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching part 1. Again, in part 2, we will be building the wood top with our silhouette for the first painting, and then we will probably be putting a vinyl on this one. So a lot of stuff coming up in part 2, so stay tuned. Remember that all of the colors and the products used will be in the description below, as well as links to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. There's also going to be a link to my website where all my vinyls, t-shirts, tumblers, wall art is coming, all of that kind of stuff. So go check that out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit that little notification button so you know when part 2 is coming. And again, I want to thank everybody for watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. And as always, God bless.